Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a really fun video which is a fall inspired look. So it's the month of September and to me summer's already over. I mean, I'm ready to jump into fall. I'm ready to fall into fall. You know what I mean? So I decided today to film this beautiful sangria look. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldy Silva, everything linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Master prime is first. You're gonna prime your eyelids. So I've already done my eyebrows and I've already done this side of the eye, just to test, I guess, the makeup out and make sure that it's good to go. So I'm just gonna apply that, and then with my ring finger I'm just gonna blend that all out. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, and I'm gonna go in with these two shades right here. Just gonna be going back and forth between those, and then I'm gonna be blending that out onto my crease to off the excess. And so I'm gonna start off in the high crease and just blending the shades out. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of blending of shades today, just to get, I guess, the perfect darkness, the perfect color. So again, we're gonna blend two shades. So we're gonna be blending this shade with this shade. So I grabbed a new brush. This is the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just going back and forth, top off the excess, and we're gonna put this directly underneath that brown shade that we put. Just making sure the colors are nicely blended together. Gonna be super freaking easy look. Literally takes you less than 5 minutes to do, at least the eye area. And with this shade right here, you can see me right there. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Regal. This is from the BH Royal Affair palette. I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here. Just gonna grab a good amount on the brush, tap off the excess. And the trick is I'm gonna go back to the Reloaded palette, and I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade to darken up the purple, and then I'm gonna apply that all on the lid. That's so I can darken up the purple, because when I apply directly just this shade, this color in, it's actually a lot more lighter on the eye, and I wanted a darker shade. So I just blended a dark brown with that purple to create this beautiful like sangria wine type of shade. And then just a small little flat shader brush like this. I'm gonna go in with this light shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my brow bone, just to highlight it. Super fast, super easy. So I'm gonna go in with my black liner, and I'm gonna line the top waterline. Apply some mascara. This is the Revlon Super Mega Multiplier mascara. It's just the color black. So before we take the colors underneath the eye, I want to apply my foundation and primer. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Simple little foundation brush like this, and I'm just gonna apply it on my only on the places that I want to glow. So for example, that'll be my high points of my cheeks. So I just apply it first on my nose, my forehead, and my chin, and that's basically it. It's the only places I want to really just glow, because it literally makes no sense just to put it everywhere for me, because I already put moisturizer. I cleanse and I moisturize, so my face is already hydrated. I just use the illuminating oil just to apply in this, just in certain places. the Revlon True Match Super Blend. This is a natural beige W. Apply dots all over my face, or stripes, or whatever I do. With my little beauty blender, I'm just going to blend all in. I just pick a place and start. Just start blending. Perfect. Time for some concealer, because as you can tell, bitch needs it. Here's my Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna apply some in the inner corner of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and right here on my chin. I need to apply a lot of concealer, because then for me and for my face, it just starts to look a little cakey, and my under eyes are like super freaking dry. So if I apply a lot of liquid underneath my eyes, it's just gonna start texturizing and it looks really freaking weird. Even when I put powder, like, I don't know what happens underneath my eyes. It's just the weirdest thing. So I just learned that a little goes a long way from my particular face. So I'm gonna start with this, the darkest shade, and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. So basically we're just gonna do the same thing that we did to the upper eye, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of the brown, and I'm just gonna start shading underneath the eye, just like that. The pink shade right underneath that, so we're gonna mix these two with the same brush. I really don't care, because we're just mixing the colors anyways. And we're gonna apply that right underneath the eye, right underneath that color. Okay. The brown shades. So we're just gonna a little small portion of that right underneath that purple that we just applied. And for the inner corner, I'm going to be using this rosy gold shade. Just apply that on the inner corner. Go in with my handy dandy little bronzer brush thing, and I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer, and I like to push the product upwards. So I like to slant down and then push up. Get down to my chest just to bronze up my body a bit, because I'm fucking white. In with my Bare Minerals and my little blush brush. This is the Gen Nude. It's called That Peach though, and I'm gonna apply that on my cheeks. I like to smile and apply, and I don't like applying too much of blush, because I naturally just get color there. My AOA Studio Perfect highlighter and my little AOA highlighting brush. Let's puff the excess. I'm gonna apply some. Oh my gosh, I really love this highlight. Cupid's bow. My chin. The lip liner I'm going to use is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in the color Canes. So, I'm going to smile. I like to overdraw my lips just a tad bit, just because everyone just loves a pouty lip. And now for the top. My Revlon Rosy Nude. Add a shade just on the center of my lips, and this is the Victoria's Secret liquid color intense color. So I just like to apply this right into the center, just to make my lips just a tad bit more poutier.